Today we're doing the underwater gymnastics challenge. So the way this challenge works is we're going to be doing gymnastics tricks under the water, and the other person will be filming us do the trick, and also we'll play like a little challenge with it in it too. So let's begin this video. So the first challenge we're doing is how many forward rolls we can do in the pool.
Breath that long, I had to get up.
11. Let's do it.
Okay, so now we're doing backward rolls or backward tucks, whatever you want to call it. I was gonna say 7. Dang, why you gotta one up me?
Back handsprings. We don't know if we can actually do it, but we're gonna give it a try. Next one we're doing is front walkovers. That was actually really good.
I kept my arm behind my ears.
It was so slow. Toe touch in the deep end. Elizabeth has 1-1.
Like into the deep end?
Yeah.
Okay.
Elizabeth has 1-1 and I have 1-3.
You're editing right now. You just never ended it.
Okay, guys. So me and Elizabeth got out of the pool, and we just got done with the.
Wait, what time is it? 11:08.
And we're all dressed ready for bed. But anyways, I'm sitting here editing the gymnastics video that we just filmed, and we didn't film the endro. So
the endro.
Yeah, the end slayer, whatever you want to call it.
What is that? Outro.
The outro.
Okay. So yeah, the outro.
The outro. And so was fun.
Yeah, it was fun. But the video's only 3 minutes
long. It's so crazy. Sorry about that. It's very short. We didn't film a lot of things.
But we filmed another video. So.
Yeah, so you'll see many more videos with Elizabeth. So, hope you enjoyed today's video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it.
I'm gonna do a big thumbs up. Okay,
and the question of the day is, who has a pool? Do you have a pool?
Yeah.
You do?
No. I wish. I'm in Indiana.
Yes,
I use it for like 3 months.
Same. I use it too. Wait, that didn't make any sense.
Wait, what? Okay, we're just done with it.
Okay, hope you enjoyed today's video and bye guys!
Bye. Okay, so get back up.